The special chemical that you are using is magnesium metal. We've provided you with a magnesium sulfate solution, a porous cup, and a magnesium metal ribbon. You need to find these materials from the buffet table. The first step in building a better battery is replacing one of our half cells from our original battery with magnesium sulfate. First and foremost, we're not going to be using a salt bridge for this battery. We are going to be using a porous cup. The porous cup is made out of ceramic, and ions can pass from one way to the other in between the two compartments, and that will complete the circuit. We need to think about our solution that we're replacing this with, magnesium metal, to determine which of our half reactants that we should keep for this battery. Magnesium metal is a very good electron donor. In order to make a strong battery, you'll want to put a very good electron donor with a very good electron acceptor. In the original battery, you can recall that zinc electrons from the metal were transferred to copper ions in the other beaker. That means that zinc was the donor and copper was the acceptor. Because this was spontaneous, it gives us information about which one is stronger. Because our electrons go from zinc to copper ions, that tells us that copper is the better acceptor and zinc is the better donor. Because of that, we are going to replace our zinc half cell with magnesium. You'll need to prepare this solution like you did on the previous day, and we're going to replace it with a porous cup. So firstly, you can put your porous cup into the beaker, like so. And then you're going to measure out 50 milliliters of the magnesium sulfate solution into your graduated cylinder. I have my 50 milliliters of magnesium sulfate solution. I'm going to pour that into the porous cup. The next step is to get my magnesium coil in there. If it's not already coiled, go ahead and coil it. You can do it around your finger. You want these coils to be pretty tight because you want almost all of it into the solution. So I'm going to put one up like this. And you can see that most of my coil is being covered by the liquid here. The last step is to connect your wires. So I'll connect my copper here and connect to my magnesium here. You want your magnesium as far down in the solution as possible.